This is all that's left of Miss Smith. So who's in the shower? Unicorn is done with her test. Let's see. Very bad. It's an F. Oh no! Angry unicorns can be dangerous. Ah! She bit me! Alex, give up! You're surrounded!
No way! The water fight is in full swing!
Miss Smith enters at the worst moment. What? Enough! I'm soaking wet!
I don't feel like playing anymore. Look at Miss Smith.
My socks are ruined!
Any suggestions? Think, Alex. Oh, we need new socks.
Draw a rainbow pattern on a sock. Color it with fabric paints. Copy on the other sock. Secure the pattern with an iron after it dries.
Go!
Miss Smith, these nice dry socks are for you. These go in the trash. So cute. The unicorn teacher knows how to have fun. No one is getting out of here dry. Will Danny and his dad? What is that?
Whoops! We didn't do anything!
I need to relax right now! Where are my vitamins? Miss Smith, it's okay! Inhale, exhale! Enough! What is this? Whoa! Pop it with rainbow candy! Who wants some of my sweet rainbow? Yeah! What's here? Pacific Ocean? What about here? The USA? What is that? I don't remember. This? I think this is Bermuda. Wrong! Haha! Round 2! And the unicorn teacher goes into battle. It's my turn to win! This is a magical globe. Let's start the fight. Prime a globe base. Paint rainbow continents. Define the outlines. Paint the stand. Set up the globe. Add a unicorn figurine. Where's Zombie Country?
You can do it! 1, 2, 3, go!
Over here! Right! Where do mermaids live? Mermaids! That's easy! This is where they were discovered by a prince. Uh-huh! Victory! What about unicorn? Unicorns live in a magical forest, but sometimes they come out to see people.
Stop! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Knockout! And the winner is Nicole! Yay!
What was that? I remember the answer! It's Canada! You still get an F. Miss Smith is in for an unpleasant surprise.
This is gonna be funny!
Good afternoon. What's my glasses?
It worked!
Who did that? Detention! Ah!
No! There's gonna be an explosion! Hold on!
I have a plan! A rainbow magnifying glass! Color a magnifying glass with glass paints. Coat the handle with acrylic paint. We need a flashlight to send a signal. Let's summon a unicorn to help us. One last pillow and I can sleep. What? Who needs my help again? Will this ever stop? I'm coming. Miss Smith is furious. Magic dust.
Whoa!
Done. Why would you rush me?
Thank you, unicorn!
How are we having fun today? Hilarious glasses!
Our unicorn teacher is back! Yay!
Alex, turn in I. And another F. F, F, F.
Ta-da! This is correct for sure.
Let's check it. Where did my pen go?
No big deal. This horn was just made for checking tests.
Make a horn out of light clay. Paint it. Cut a stamp out of an eraser. Glue it on another eraser and attach it to the base of the horn. Really? Whoa! I love giving high grades! Oh yeah! It's so much fun!
Hang on, this is too much. I think I'll take the test back before it's too late.
But I want to make stamps! Ta-da! What was that?
Is that a unicorn?
I think I took it too far.
Unicorns are unstoppable.
The students are hungry. How about a snack in the middle of the class?
I want a snack too. Come here, Lunchbox.
Prime a lunchbox. Cut out a foam paper cloud. Paint a face. Glue it onto the cap. Fill the lunchbox with rainbow meringues.
My treasures!
Found it! Write this down. What? Eating in my class? Put it away right now! I'm confiscating it immediately!
No, not the lunchbox! She took my cloud away!
No food in class, that's the rule! And now, you're taking a spelling test! Meanwhile, I'll be enjoying some meringue! They are so good! Yay! The unicorn is back!
These meringues are mine, and I'll get them back!
Here, Alex! Thank you for the treat!
My sweet cuties!
What a wonderful horn!
What? Do I have a horn? But why?
It's magic! Where's Alex? Nicole, look! Alex's horn turned into a board pointer. Got it? What a crazy class! Another test! What's going on? The pen's not working. Come on! Oh, Miss Smith is mad. It's all because of a pen. I'll give her this marker. Coat a marker with Elmer's glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Attach a rainbow hair extension. Add a decorative horn, ears, and a flower. Wow! Great plan! This is for you to replace your pen. A unicorn marker? I've never seen anything like this. This marker activates the unicorn gene. Woo!
No way!
Everyone's dismissed. No more boring classes.
Run! I'm coming too!
Let's start having fun! Hang on, what just happened? And why is the classroom empty? This marker is dangerous!
Unicorns don't exist!
What do you mean? History has seen plenty of prominent unicorns besides me. Here you go. Shakespeare, Tesla, Jackson, and a rainbow unicorn.
That's nuts! Who would have thought?
And you get an F. The next test belongs to Alex. I can give him a big fat F right away. Not so fast, Miss Smith. Give me my crayon back. Phew. Did I really fall asleep? I'll give him an A+ just in case. Seems like there's no one here. But Miss Smith is not alone. Did you leave these prints? What prints? No idea what you're talking about. Okay, I'll go. My old notebook. Achoo! Whoops! A unicorn! I knew it! What a hard day! I need to wash up right now! What? A unicorn? But how? Phew! I was just seeing things! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what you liked the most. A rainbow globe, unicorn socks, or a cloud lunchbox. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.